In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a unique coupon code for Klaviyo. This process is straightforward and should take about 5 minutes, so let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to ensure that your Klaviyo account is already integrated with your e-commerce platform, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. This integration is essential because it's what allows Klaviyo to sync the discount codes seamlessly with your online store, making everything run smoothly. Once you've confirmed that everything is integrated, your next step is to log into your Klaviyo account. If you're not familiar with navigating through Klaviyo, don't worry. Once you're logged in, head to the dashboard. Here, you'll see various sections that help you manage your marketing efforts, but right now, you want to focus on creating discount coupons. On the left hand side, look for the content section, and under this you'll find an option called coupons. Click on that and it will take you to the space where you can manage and create your discount codes. After reaching the coupon section, look for a button that says create coupon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a form where you can start entering essential details about your new coupon. Let's go through these details together to make sure everything's correct. Start by naming your coupon. A good name helps you easily identify what the discount is for when you look back at your coupons later. Next, there's an optional field for a prefix. Adding a prefix can be useful if you want your code to have a special branding element. For example, you might choose something like loyal or holiday if the code is for a specific occasion or group. Now you'll need to select the discount type. This could be a percentage off or a fixed amount, depending on the promotion you're running. Then, set the value of the percentage or dollar amount of the discount you wish to offer. Following that, you'll specify the active dates and expiration date. These dates dictate when the coupon is valid, preventing any surprises for your customers. Once you've filled in the details to your satisfaction, you can add prefixes or suffixes to further personalize your code. This might seem like a small feature, but it can enhance how the codes align with your brand identity. After inputting all the details and making sure everything looks good, take a moment to click on the Create Coupon button located in the top right. Don't forget this part as it's the final step in setting up your coupon. Finally, ensure you save your new coupon. With all that done, Klaviyo will automatically generate and sync these unique codes with your Shopify or whichever e-commerce platform you're using. That's it, you've successfully created a unique coupon code on Klaviyo. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.